everyone and welcome to Amazon. Today we have got a special treat for all you MI fans. We are going to review the all-new Redmi 12 5G, a true marvel of technology and design. Let's find out why this phone is the perfect choice for those seeking a blend of style and power within a budget. Let's start things off with what's under the hood. Powering the Redmi 12 is the sensational Snapdragon 4th generation 2 octa-core processor, which is the first 4nm chipset of this segment and global debut with Redmi 12. This processor ensures smooth multitasking, faster app response and reliable performance on all your daily usage. Not only this, it's one of the most affordable 5G ready smartphones in the segment. Get the 5G power to stream high resolution content or download heavy files in a snap, or even use your smartphone as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Redmi has nailed the perfect balance between performance and price, making it an absolute steal for the tech-savvy and budget-focused buyers. To make the performance even better, the Redmi 12 5G offers up to 8GB of inbuilt RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM. Multitasking has never been this smooth. You can switch between apps seamlessly, execute heavy tasks and more swiftly without any noticeable lag. Now, let's talk about one of the standout features of Redmi 12 5G. Its design. Feast your eyes on the crystal glass design with an infinite camera deco, which gives the smartphone an ultra premium look. Not only that, the phone comes with glass back with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. It's not just a smartphone, it's a work of art that you can carry in your pocket. The smartphone is available in 3 attractive color variants: Moonstone Silver, Pastel Blue and Jade Black. You won't believe your eyes when you see the 6.79-inch FHD Plus display with a seamless 90Hz refresh rate. This is the biggest ever display on a Redmi smartphone. Every touch, scroll and swipe feels smooth and amazing. The smartphone is perfect for binge watching your favorite shows with crystal clear resolution. The Redmi 12 5G is equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel AI camera. Whether you're in low light, capturing a portrait or need that stunning HDR shot, this camera is a pro at all of it. Get ready to unleash your inner photographer. Don't worry about running out of charge, as with a massive 5000 mAh battery, the phone keeps you connected all day long. And when you do need a quick charge, the 22.5 watt fast charger has got your back. Redmi 12 5G is powered by MIUI 14, based on Android 13. With it, you'll get the latest features, customization, and a seamless user experience. But that's not all. The Redmi 12 5G comes with additional features like IP53 dust and splash resistance, Corning Gorilla Glass for extra durability, MIUI dialer for a customizable experience, and even a beloved 3.5mm audio jack for all you wired headphone fans. To ensure next level unmatched quality, features are tested for durability standards. So, to sum it up, the Redmi 12 5G is a true powerhouse of its segment in every sense. It's got the performance, the style, and all the features you could ask for in a smartphone. I hope you had fun watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.